Hello and welcome back to HardReset's Quick Godot. Today I'll show you how to fix blurry pixel art. Let's begin. If you're developing a pixel art game and you want all assets to be very clear, crystal crisp, you want to go into Project Settings, scroll down into Rendering, go into Textures, and switch Default Texture Filter from Linear to Nearest. And then simply close the setting. But if you don't want to do that, you can always change the texture filtering from individual nodes. So we can take this one, for example. We can go into CanvasItem here, Texture, and we also have Filter. And by default, they are inheriting the project settings, but we can forcefully change them from Nearest to, for example, Linear, and vice versa. And yeah, that's all for the tutorial. Leave a comment, like the video, and good luck on your game dev journey.